This video is sponsored by Value Testers, hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below.
How you doing, guys? Steve Lav here. It is December 11th, 2018. Just going to do a quick little vlog, talk about some stuff that's going on with me. Miss Molly, my little dog, got fixed today, so she's kind of out of it. She's on a couch, and she's got quite a few stitches on her belly, and be a couple of days where she's kind of like low-key type of thing. So, little Miss Molly got fixed. They say that was the best thing to do, is get her fixed, so that's what I did. So no puppies for Mrs. Molly. Usually she's hanging out with me, but she's on the couch. I might go grab her later. She's a little droggy. A couple other things going on. Value Testers. One of my sponsors is talking about doing a Klein backpack tool bag giveaway. Nice tool bag. It's one of the Klein backpack units. And he's talking about doing a giveaway. He said he's going to send me one, so maybe I'll try it out. He did send me a demo, a Bacharach combustion analysis tester, and I did use it. It seemed like the CO was off a little bit, so I did test it compared to my Testo, and they were definitely different readings. So I got another Testo brand new in the garage that I just charged the battery, and I'm going to test the two Testos together and then test the Bacharach. And I did talk to the guy from Value Testers. He said he's going to have Bacharach send me out a new CO and a new there's two sensors in there. He's going to send out two new sensors. That was a demo unit, so do I like the Testo or the Bacharach better? There's drawback. There's good and bad on both. I'm going to do a video on that and talk about, after I use them for a while, what I thought of each unit. I like the Testo in certain areas, and I like the Bacharach in different areas. So it all depends on what you like. But I am going to do, side-by-side demo on both. Testo 320 and the Bacharach, the better of the units, and tell you what I thought of it, my honest opinion. And I just got sent a demo unit to try it out, see how I liked it. But anyway, what else I got going on? Oh, some guy sent me another backup camera to do a review on. A smaller one, a little 4.5-inch screen. I'm going to use it in my John Deere 318 tractor. I don't know if I showed you a video of that. I got a John Deere 318 snowblower, and I put a cab on it. And it's got a weight box in the back. And so I am going to put a backup camera on that, so it'll make it easier to see when I'm backing up. Because I don't want to back into the garage door or anything like that. It's always good to have backup cameras on stuff like that. But anyway, the guy sent me one. He wants me to do a video on it. So I said, yeah, send it to me for free, and I'll put it in my tractor, and I'll try it out. And if I like it, either way, I'll do a demo on it, a video about it, and it's for free. So why not? It's a pretty nice little unit. I mean, it's perfect for that. It'd be nice it's designed for a car, basically, or truck or whatever. The other one I put in was like $70. It was a nice unit for the trackless. But anyway, what else? I got a couple of guys sent me some stuff. This guy's name, DW, David W. was this guy. He sent me like a coil gun, but it's for washing the truck. It's like it foams up. You spray it on the truck or the car, and it foams up. But it looks like a coil gun that you use on a condensing unit. It's pretty cool. And this guy's name was David DW. David W. was the guy's name. I appreciate that guy. I am going to do a video on that. And this other guy sent Miss Molly a little electric blanket for the truck, which I've been using. Plug into the cigarette lighter, and it's got a little timer on it, 30 minutes or 40 minutes for Miss Molly to keep her warm, because she is a little long-haired Chihuahua, and she don't like the cold. So that guy's name was Greg Estok, Estok. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but Greg Estok. ESTOK, that's his name. Appreciate that. Miss Marley does like that little electric blanket. You know, and other people send me stuff. A lot of times people send me stuff in the mail, all kinds of different people. I should just kind of do little shout outs when people send me stuff. Sometimes I get a lot of stuff, and some of it's, used stuff, or who knows, it's all kinds of stuff comes in. But anyway, oh, I might be getting another thing. I might be getting another sponsor. I'm working, talking to a guy and seeing what's going on. We'll see if that works out or not. But that would be nice to get a couple of sponsors. I'm working on maybe getting one more for now. And Value Testers, he's a real good guy. Great tool company. I think it's the best tool company on the web. If you guys need any tools or anything, go check out Value Testers. He links in all the descriptions of all my videos. Great company, great people to work with. I'm glad to be teamed up with Value Testers, as he's my only sponsor right now. But I am working on trying to get one other one, and maybe get three. Would be nice, you know. What else I got going? I still got the merch selling in the store. I still got the t-shirts and all that stuff still available. I did cut it back, and I only kept a couple of things in the store. So if you guys want any of the merch, all the links are in every description of my videos. The link for for t-shirts and stuff like that. And it does help, if you guys buy it, I make a little bit, and helps me with making the videos, keep me going and stuff. All right, guys, just wanted to do a quick little vlog. I haven't done one in a while, and I wanted to talk about some stuff. And like I said, poor Miss Marley. Let me see if I can go get her. Hang on a minute. All right, guys, here's poor little Mrs. Marley. I mean, she's got stitches, so she's kind of little. She's very tender. It's my little buddy. Yeah, you're my little buddy. Betty loves Miss Molly. I know you're not doing well. Poor little thing. She's not doing. I mean, she just got cut. She's got all kinds of stitches under her little belly. So you must feel for Miss Molly. You're gonna be okay. She's my best little buddy right here. But anyway, I gotta be careful how I hold her. I can't grab her from the stomach because she's got all them stitches. But anyway, usually she's running around, but she's kind of out of it. You can see she's very drowsy. She's all drugged up. She just got fixed today, huh? You gonna say hi to the people? Everybody loves Miss Molly. Everybody loves her. Well, that's it. She'll be okay in a couple of days. Alright, guys, that's it. Just wanted to do a quick little vlog and say some prayers for Miss Molly. Hope she's going to be okay. She should be alright in a couple of days, I'm thinking. Alright, I got more videos to come. I did 3-4 jobs today. I just got to cut them up and edit them and keep them going. The old trackless. That unit, that's going to be a nice unit come winter time blowing the snow. Wait till you guys are going to like that video. Oh, crusty. Alright, guys, have a good day.